In this video, we will discuss about some datetime functions of Microsoft Excel. This is the first video of this datetime function series. Some more videos will come, and in this video we will discuss about some basic functions, and later on we will discuss about some complex function. So let's start. The day I am recording this video is 6th August 2021. Now if I want to get that date, the date of the current day, so in that case what I will do, I will write like the function like equal to today, bracket open, bracket close, and enter. You can see the date is coming as 6th August 2021. Now if I want to know the current time, then you can see like the current time is 9:06 p.m. So I will write the function like equal to now bracket open, bracket close, and enter. You can see the time is coming here, which is matching with this one, the system time. Now there one thing to remember, like whenever I'm opening the Excel, let's say next day, any particular time, then this date time will be changed to that time when I'm opening. That means if the Excel is refreshed, then it will show that particular date and time which is matching with the system date or and time. Moving on to our next function, like if we want to derive the year from a particular date, let's say from this date, then we will use the function year. Like we will write equal to year, bracket open, we have to give the particular date which is this date. I'm clicking on the cell is coming here. I will close this and enter. You can see the date has come as 2021 from this date. Now if I want to derive the month from that particular date, then I will again write it as equal to month, bracket open, this particular date, close, and enter. As the date is 6th August, you can see the month is coming as 8, that means August. If I want to get the day, like this is 6th August, so the day will be the 6th day. If I want to get the day, then it will be equal to day, bracket open, from this particular date I have to select, so bracket open, bracket close, the date will be, the day is coming as 6th, which is matching. Now if I want to get the hour, minute, and second from this, then I will use the function as equal to hour. Now what is the date time? This one, so I will click on this and bracket close. So I will get the hour as 21, that means 9 p.m. If I want to get the minute from this date time, then I will use the function as equal to minute, bracket open, this particular cell I have to select, bracket close, enter. You can see as it is 21.08, so that minute is coming as 8, which is matching. Moving on to our last function, like if I want to get the second from this date, then I will write like equal to second, bracket open, clicking on this date, bracket close. Now it is coming as 13, so this is second is as 13. Now you can see one thing, like few minutes ago that this time was another like 21.07, and this minute was coming as 8. As I told, if the Excel is refreshed, this will change automatically. As a result, 1 minute ago it was 8, now it is coming as 9. So this thing you have to remember. So that's about today's functions. In the next video we will come up with more sub functions. Thank you.